What's going on, everyone? Sovereign Jared Kwan. Today we are doing a 3 displays of magnificent Mavens for a Black Friday sale. My local LGS decided to do Black Friday sales, so this is what we're doing. And I will have another video up as well on another set. I'm opening just for fun. I will try to get through these as quickly as possible, because I know everyone has a short attention span, so. Okay, matched. Wonderful. Agito. Alright, let's see. Ice Dragon's Prison. Witchcrafter. Doomdozer. Elder Entity. Cheng Yang. Alright. Alrighty. Galaxy has Afterglow. Blast Out by Destiny. Chaos Hunter. I'm glad she got a reprint. The Chaos Hunter. Sword Soul, Keldo, Doomdozer, Witchcrafter, and Sky Striker Kagari. Impermanence, Creeper's Trap, Therian, Sword Soul, and oh, okay. Alright. Oops, about that. Triple Tactics. Ocean Hero Lives. Evenly Matched Again. Medora. Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. Sacred Summit. Instant Fusion. Pendulum Call. Shidui and Soul again. Storm. Yang again. System. Light Imprisoning Mirror. Scapegoat. Ooh, Harpy's Feather Duster. Finally. I'm actually trying to collect as many of those as I can. I've got a bunch of the super rares from the structure decks that I'm trying to get rid of. Blackluster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos, awesome. Crafter, Cat Shark, Zuki. Alright, Millennium Eyes, Medora, Dark Calling, Golem Token. Infinite Impermanence, Aileron, Arion, Vampire's Curse, and Instant Fusion again. Alrighty, let's see, Yatagarasu, Change of Heart, wonderful. Token, Mayakashi, return. Totally Awesome. Confusion Area. Vampire's Curse. Exchange of the Spirit. Alright. Next pack. What have we got? Yatagarasu. Doomdozer. Sky Striker. G-Golem Token. Totally Awesome again. Dark Calling, Sword Soul Taya, Sky Striker Ace Ray. Sword Soul Emergence, Goes and Match, Cheng Yang, Solitaire. Alright. Ecclesia, Keldo, Kagari. Topia Kaiser, Linkage, Shadow Imprisoning Mirror, Antiantis, and Chaos Hunter. Alright. Afterglow, Agido, Goes in Match, Nightmare Phoenix, Engage. Feather Duster, wonderful. Rimbulant, Skeleton Manikashi, Dragon Maid Changeover. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon, Yuka Onna, Legendary Ocean, Empire's Curse, and Instant Fusion. Topia Kaiser, Vision's Heritage, Neuron, and Cat Shark. Alright, Afterglow, Udora, Bururu, Longyuan, Scapegoat. That's totally awesome. Fusion area. Foolish Return, Soul, Sacrament, Instant Fusion. Let's see, Iris Sword Soul. BLS, Kepler, Leona, Moye, Keldo, Dark Calling, Scapegoat, and Ray. Evenly matched again. Back out. Alright, Kaiser, Therian, Ajun, Skill Drain, Knockout, Taya, Ray. Trip Tactics, Aileron, just Resistance. Alright, BLS again, awesome. Agido, Visionary Witchcrafter, and Skystriker Kagari. Alright, Sarah, Dora, Foolish Return, and Longyuan. Alright, Draconecro, Gravekeeper's Trap, Resistance, Nightmare Cerberus, Nightmare Phoenix. Alright, Moye again, Hamp, Non-Fusion, Kagori, and Ray. Sarah, Agido, Foolish Return, Hero Lives, and Shark Cannon. Glow, Instant Fusion. Alright, Yanagarasu, Eudora, Non-Fusion Area, G-Golem Token, and Sword Soul of Taya. Envoy, Token, Kepler, Ray, and Cheng Yang. Emergence, Vanguard, Shadow Imprisoning Mirror, Witchcrafter. Alright, getting down to the wire. 3 more boxes after this. Alright. Looks like I opened a pack when I wasn't supposed to. Oh well. Let's see. Millennium Eyes. Let you go in my Akashi Return. Ice Dragon's Prison. Spirit. Alright. Ecclesia, Aileron, Doomdozer, Phoenix, and Hero Lives. Kaiser, Hamp, Dark Calling, Guinea, and the Skeletal Mayakashi. Alright. Got a Garasu, Striker Linkage, Shadow Imprisoning Mirror, Elder Enchantress, and Chain Yang. Totally Awesome, Gravekeeper's Trap, Soul Strife, Mizuki, and Chunjun. Hungry's Feather Duster, Strife, Hero Lives, and Guinea. Sarah, Hamp, Legendary Ocean, Taya, and Dark Soul Token. Alright, I think I might have opened one of these packs already at the wrong time, but that's okay. 3 more packs left. Feather Duster, Aileron, Draco Pack, Sugar Village of the Spellcasters. Alright, Boral Sword, Agido, Foolish Return, Nightmare Cerberus, and Hayate. Alright, last pack. Infinite Impermanence, Medora, Legendary Ocean, Chaos Hunter, and Dragon Maid Changeover. Alright everyone, that's it for that. Hope you all had a fun Thanksgiving. Take care.